I'm so excited to be talking to all of you beautiful dreamers. I applaud you for your strength to imagine a new future through the power of dreaming big.
Congratulations for being part of the Disney Dreamers Academy. You guys have earned this opportunity by simply being yourselves, being you, being 100, being the change, being a leader. So continue to be proud of yourself and make this world better.
There has never been another time in history where a generation has first-hand knowledge of things that are happening around the world. And to that, I say be fearless in your actions, be creative in the face of limitations, and boldly make a difference.
Hello, Disney Dreamers! Dreams is a wish your heart makes, and that means you just need to follow your heart.
Disney Dreamers, be a change maker. The world is not perfect, but that doesn't mean we can't do things that change things in the world. The world is counting on you to do the next biggest things.
There will be challenges, and this is hard work, but remember, you are smart, you are talented, and you are more than capable of handling any obstacle in your way. You are the hero of your own story, so make yourself proud.
The person that decides whether or not you get to where you're trying to go is you. Not the person with the negativity, not the person that said no, not the person that said you're not good enough. It's not true. You need to know that through and through, everything else falls right into place.
There have been many times in my life where it was necessary to make a challenging or bold decision. And in the midst of it, I felt as though the best thing that kept me going was by being there for myself, by showing up for myself, not being fearful of being able to speak up for yourself.
Always take advice. If your mom's telling you something, or if your dad, if someone close to you is telling you something, take that into consideration. Keep striving for it, keep doing it, just don't give up.
Sometimes you've got to be your own best advocate. But sometimes if you're really lucky, you get a great mentor. I had one when I was 19 years old, and Mr. Sidney Poitier. He was an incredible mentor to me, stayed with me my whole life, so much so that I am still living my best dream.
Don't let anyone tell you no. There's no such word as no. In life, you can do anything you put your heart and mind to. Anything. Trust me, I've done it. Congratulations, dreamers, and welcome to the Academy.